So 85cc class final. Nagapunta diri sa Car Cebu. Hala ka. Okay. Ayay, natumba. Apel si Saira bay. Hala, tora naligid si Sanson. Wow, 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 wow. Oh. Grabe, danlog kayong racetrack.
Ay, Rivera, sorry. 328 Rivera for the second. Bagasina for 330.
So, nakauna it's Toby Chavez. Nawala si Saira Paco.
That is Sanson, 342.
Masyadong madulas ang racetrack.
Still holding the first position, followed by Rivera.
So, Chavez, Lyric Rivera, Bagasina, and Carl Hermosa. Ikalima, James Sanson. Masyadong madulas ang racetrack. Hoy! Simplang. Sanson versus Carl Hermosa. Wow. Masyado nang madulas ang racetrack. Ayan, Lance Escunia. Hindi umubra.
Golden track sinahanap ng mga rider. So Chavez, Sanson and Bagasina. Nakuha ni Sanson si Bagasina.
Toby Chavez on the lead. Lyric Rivera on second. Sanson on third. Oh. Ora, tumba. Daming sumimplang. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Oh. GG Bagasina.
Guys, Orlando, lumalaban, back to two. Number 72, that is Chavez.
Wow.
Chavez now still holding the first 328, that is Rivera. Honda Philippines.
Ho 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 ho.
Number 342. 342, that is Sanson. And also 330. Bagasina and also 410.
Masyado nang madulas ang racetrack, guys.
How about number 67?
Oh. Wow, wow. Lyric Rivera on second.
Marami pang pwede magkari. Lapit na ulit na sa limuran ng Rivera.
GG Bagasina on fourth. Sanson on third. Wow.
White flag is out.
White flag for Toby Chavez. Lance Escunia. Oh. Grabe Lance bay.
for the fifth. Pagasina, fifth na ngayon. Landers Kenya. Hey! Boy Rivera, Padre Lota na sa sixth.
Oy! Lance Risco niya! Agay! Sayang. Calvin Hermosa. Para... Wow. Checkered flag, checkered flag. Ala. Grabe, sikan ba si Sanson, no? Murag mo champion ki si Sanson na ni.
Derek Rivera for the third.
Pagasina on fourth. Lansoy nawala.
Lance Pagasina for the fourth. Dinerecho kahit flag na ako. Hermosa na for the fifth. Villa Hermosa na for the fifth. That's all for the second hit. Second hit na nga. Last hit ng ating 85cc and here we go for the executive.
Checkered, checkered, checkered.